It is possible to trade and battle in most local multiplayer games like Pokemon Legends CA, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in Ryujinx. For this, of course, I did need another person, and Gaming for Bros definitely helped out here, so also definitely check out his channel in the description and in the collab below, and subscribe since he helped out a ton and he's making great content, for example on how to fix all the glitches and crashes on Pokemon ZA. So, how to get started on going online and trading with other people on emulators. First of all, this only works between emulators, and you can also enable a setting to use this with other modded switches. So you cannot access stuff like the Wonder Trades or anything like that. Only direct peer-to-peer connections between two people. So for Pokemon Legends CA, this works with the 1.0.1 update. This update is now fixed in the latest Canary version, so you can safely update your game. And how to get it started? You can do this in the options and in settings. I got an override on these settings, so I have to go to the game itself. For me, I go to the custom configuration, we go to network, and here select RyuLDN. This basically allows you to connect between different Ryujinx versions. So I can connect to Gaming for Bros' version, and he can connect to me. You can also use LDN MITM, and this is for connecting to a modded switch. So this way you can trade between your PC and a modded switch. This guide will not go into detail on that, but that's all you need to know there. For the network passphrase, if you leave this at the default, it is public. You can connect with anyone online. Luckily, there is another keep phrase in Pokemon ZA, but for other games, you can connect to anyone when it is public. You can also put in your own string or randomize something random, and then you both need to put in the same string in order to connect to each other. And enable guest internet access, and as it says right here, this basically allows you to connect to the internet with the emulators. Of course, this does not allow you to use Nintendo servers as it says, so you can't use Wonder Trades or mystery gifts, but it does allow you to connect to others. And for the network interface, just leave it at the default. Click apply and save, and let's head into the game.
All right, so we're in game. You're going to go to settings, go down to link play, and then on the top right, you go to link trade and check nearby players. It will ask you for a link code, and we're going to just basically scream and use 8Ks. And then we're going to press OK. Must be 0 to 9 or blah, blah, blah only.
Yep.
Oh my god.
Let's just do like... oh, fucking hell.
If you're not blind, then we're going to go for 8008000.
Fucking hell.
Wait. 08.
Wait, so 80088008. Right?
You know what? Yes. I changed mine to that. Okay, yes. Okay. Press OK.
Oh shit,
my
it
god.
works.
Yeah, let's go.
Hell yeah.
Okay. So now we're going to do an epic trade.
I do still want my Kadabra later on.
I will trade it back. I'll trade it back.
Cool.
It's crazy. Bro got scammed in Pokemon Legends here. Goodbye, Magikarp. I'll miss you, buddy. Yo, look at him go. I think this is a very fair trade. I don't know.
I mean, you can catch a Kadabra for free, but a Magikarp still costs 500 Pokédollars.
Ah, stonks. Stonks for you, huh? Alright.
Time to scam people.
It's about to evolve! So that's basically it. That's how you trade your good old Pokemon. Maybe even battle? I'm
You
not
want to try
sure
out a
how
great
that
battle?
works. Let's try it.
Alright. Then we exit out. And we should just be able to go to private battles
right?
in link play.
Okay. Alright, so for battling, we go to private battles, skip all this yapping, and then go to nearby players. Do I create a room?
Go for it.
Alright. Creating a room.
I'll join the room.
The code is 5122. It is cool that you can have up to 4 people.
Yeah.
Sadly,
gonna
we
be so
don't have
chaotic.
friends, so that's not gonna be a thing. All right. Starting the battle. Let's go.
I do have your Magikarp in there now.
But it's level 50. It's level 50 Magikarp, bro.
It's level 6. I don't know if it even knows Tackle.
Maybe at level 50 it will.
Fair, but I don't think the moves change for battles. This will
Okay,
be
well,
one
that's gonna
good
be interesting
splash.
to see. Okay, let's do this. Oh,
This
baby.
is a
Okay,
good
this is
matchup.
actually, oh my god, this is kind of cool. Wait, so how the hell do... It's working really well. Like, insanely well, I would say. Now, there was a tip from my Discord. The trade or the battle might crash. You just want to try with a different code. That's what my Discord said.
Oh,
So,
interesting.
with that, I think it is time for die outro.
Alright, so that was a very quick guide on how to get multiplayer up and running in Ryujinx, especially for Pokemon ZA, but this should also definitely work for other games. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, subscribe and like for more content. Check out Gaming for Bros in the collab, and I'll see you in the next video.